Hi, sir.
You. Take him to cell 6.
Yes, sir.
Man, I'll hit you up. Hi, guys.
Hey! Stop! Stop! What are you doing? Hey! Stop! Hey! Orange! Stop!
Stop it. Stop. What are you doing?
So what are you doing? Hey! What the heck? Get on! Who wants you? Find them! Get orange! Orange, get back here! Shoot orange! Shoot him! Where's green? Go get green! Go! Get back here, green! Get them! They went this way, come on!
Hey, you. You wanna help me do this mission?
What mission?
So basically, I have to find my brother,
Uh-huh.
and then me and him need to do something. I've got what.
Yeah, sure, I'll help you. Let's go. Repeat, I found him. Copy that.
Come on! Copy that. Copy that. Hey, is that Lewis? Hey, Lewis, where you are? Where are you going? Why is he being like this? Just wait! Who the hell are you? Get out of here! Out of here! Oh! No! Oh. This is weird.
You two are hired. Welcome to the cafe.
Oh my god! Thank you, this is my first job! Thank you. Oh my god! Thank you so much.
You are fired. Get out.
What did I give them?
Get out now. Hey, you, get out of here. Who the heck are you? Hey, get out. What the heck? I'm gonna call the police on this guy. That's it. You two are fired.
What the fuck?
What? You okay?
You good, girl? Yeah, I'm fine.
Anyway, you two are fired. First, Ryder, you've been messing up people's orders. Get out.
Oh my gosh. Sorry, sir. Sorry.
And then Lewis, you've been overcooking the food. There's been bugs in there. We're getting low stars. Get out. Never want to see you again. Hey, we called the cops on you. You need to go.
Get out, bro.
We called the cops on you.
Get out.
Hey!
No. Oh shit, I need to go. He's around and he's up. Yo, sir, this is my friend I found. Nice round. He's sitting well, sir. Yeah. Hey!
Who is this person? Who is this?
Hey, Daddy. This is my brother. Dad.
I thought you were working with me, not this piece of shit.
No, hey!
What the fuck?
a hen. Oh shit. Come on, come with me, come with me, come with me. You do that for okay, whatever. Come on, quick. No, it's a nice view. Huh? Today was a good day. Oh. What were you doing today? Just walking around. Oh my gosh, no! Yo, bro, let me go. I can't, you're the best.
We are Charlie Kirk. We
You. What's your name in the movie and what was your role in the movie?
My name is Riley. Margot was one of the murderers.
What was your name in the movie and what was your role in the movie?
My role was the murderer and Riley. My name is Lewis. Bro, I'm trying to give you a kiss goodbye.
My name in the movie was I don't know. I didn't have one. I was like different roles. I was this character. What the fuck? I was also the police guy. Who else was I? I think that was it.
You were the
Anyway, my turn.